Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading. Yes, I have selected two stocks for tomorrow's intraday trading, so I'll be telling you about the two stock what I've selected, and before that we'll see how the market performed today. Okay, so the market opened in a gap up section today and closed at 1.46% up. Yes, the market was positive today, above 1%, but still not many stock performed well. Okay, so the most gain index for today was Nifty Reality with 3.57% up. Okay, so this is how the market performed today, and also today we did trade on Tata Steel, and you can see the daily live trades what to do in my channel. You can go inside my channel and watch all the videos, and also today's live trading link will be given in the description of this video, so you can see the daily live tradings. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in entire trading, you can join us today. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There's a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so you guys can now subscribe to get the daily updates from my channel. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, now let's talk about the tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be first telling about the Nifty 50 support and resistance level for tomorrow. Okay, so the first support level for the Nifty will be 17,142. Okay, so here is a first support level for the Nifty. So this is a first support level for the Nifty, and then the next support level is around 17,061. So here is the next support level for the Nifty, 17,061, and the 17,142 are the two support levels for the Nifty for tomorrow, and the first resistance will be 17,306. Okay, so this is the first resistance level, 17,306, and the next resistance level is around 17,380. so here is the next resistance level. So these are the two resistance level for Nifty, and these are the two support level for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, so you can observe this level. Okay, so this is about the Nifty and this is about the market for tomorrow. So now let's talk about the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, and the first stock is ICICI Bank. So if you guys can see, ICICI Bank is trading at one of its support level and it has come down now, so that's why I selected this stock. So from resistance it is coming to a support level, so from here what will happen we'll see tomorrow. So keep in mind guys, this video is only for an educational purpose. I'm not telling you to trade on the stocks or invest in the stocks, but these are the stocks according to my knowledge what I've selected for tomorrow's trading. And the next stock is Tata Motors. Okay, so first one is ICICI Bank and the next one is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors also is recovering from one of its newest low. 389.5 is a newest low what it has made. From there it is recovering, and there it has taken a support at 441 somewhere around there, and from there the stock is trying to go up, but again it has come down. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, so whether I'll be buying or selling, I'll be deciding on tomorrow's live trade what I do. Okay, so once the market opens, I'll see how the market is performing, and according to that I will decide my buy and sell. Okay, so if you guys want to get the updates of whether I'll be buying or whether I'll be selling before I trade, you can join us now. So once you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things like how to pick the stock and what level I'll be trading. You'll get all the updates once you join us. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.